Hello everyone, is it a start? Okay. So we are going to introduce myself, Ankit Singh, and behind the camera is Aditya Singh, who is directing. Actually, you can say is as a director. So we are the behind at the temple, Jagannath temple. Is it? Is it Jagannath temple, bhai?
Yeah, yeah.
Jagannath. I just see. Am I on camera? Okay. Is it a Jagannath temple? And there's a huge pipeline. Am I try to see the shooting of try to be make a shooting of Titanic scene, but no girl is in front of me, so I have to do it alone. Oh my god! But it's a it's quite cold. So as you see there's a small lake, but behind that there's a huge parking lot, as you can see there. But there is a not of a thousand of cars were there, and also SUV because today is what is the date today?
India versus New Zealand fourth match.
Date. Okay, 27.
26.
26, of course, I forget. 26 July, no, October. 26 October, fourth ODI between New Zealand versus India happening is at there. As you can see behind me, there is the Ranchi ground. It is not it's beautiful, and as you can see, there is a huge rock wall. I just love the rock. Could you see that? Look at the rock. How big is that? I just so hard. My goodness. Could you see that? So hard. I can crack that, but I haven't Thor hammer that I can crack it on a single hand. And also there actually Jharkhand known as the natural resources. So you can see a big jungle here, and also behind that. But we are heading for the temple. But instead of going from front area, we are trying to go from the back area to hiking the rock. Okay. Look, we are going from the back side of the temple, but it is quite little dangerous. Could you come in and show them how dangerous is that? Come on, take a look. Watch that. That is called. I'm trying to be Bear Grill. He's my favorite. Look at that. If I fall, just stop there. I can't go behind that. If I fall from there, probably I can break my one leg, maybe or not. But it's quite dangerous, not easy. I should move forward.
एक सेकंड चलो जोर से बोलिए
मेरा आवाज पहुंच रहा है भाई? Okay. So it's a huge elevation. Actually not elevation, but the angle is quite, of course, I think, as an engineer, let me guess. As an engineer, let me guess what is angle. It's probably about 90 and 130 or 140 degree. But I quite feel like I'm a hiker. I feel like I'm in the movie Ye Jawan Hai Diwan. That's my favorite movie. So I always wanted to be hike a mountain. Just look at me, how elevated I am, or inclined. You can say inclined. It's huge. Cameraman, watch yourself. Please watch yourself, cameraman. So we are going to from the back side of that. Just show them how the dangerous is that. We are going from the back side. So let's go. Could you see the inclination? I'm trying to be a Spider-Man, but my shoes wasn't made of a rubber. So I try to be hiking from this side. Be careful, guys. Do not repeat at home, okay? I'm a professional stuntman. It's not. I'm just kidding, okay? So I have to look backward at the same instant. Cameraman, look at yourself. And we are going from the this side because it's quite inclined. Could you back? Okay. So let me show you. These are some plants which grow only on the rocks. Could you see that? Okay, don't close it. Don't come so closer that camera can hack on that. So it is quite noxious. So this mountain on the rocks, or you may say planted on the rocks by itself. And cameraman, watch yourself. So and we are going try to go through that because this area are quite dangerously or quite high inclined. Means degree is quite more. And let me see that because I'm trying to look at the highway. Oh my goodness. Yes, I feel like I'm a Spider-Man. Yeah, Usain Bolt. Isn't it great? So let me move on. Pause it, bhai.
movie
On the. Okay, so we are going from the inclined area, but I'm trying to sit, take a rest. Oh, it's quite hot. I'm gonna boil on that. But let me sit. It feels so relaxed. Now it's cool.
2, 3.
Okay. Are we on? Okay. Yes, we are on. So, Kelvin, could you take a click of me? I mean, photo. It's feel good.
Hmm.
High sunshine on photo session. Now we are heading to this high inclination area. So this is quite amazing. I feel okay. Again the tree. I mean the plant.
Hmm.
Yes.
That's to me.
Let me take a click. Yeah. So we are heading to this area. I mean again on the rock, and just show them how great inclination is that. It's awesome. Could you see that? It's huge. If rain were I'm back. If rain happens 2 days or 1 day ago here, then I couldn't. Believe me, I couldn't walk on that because it's quite slippery, and I haven't the rubber shoes. It's from this planet. Okay, so we are reached far behind from where we started, and we are going for the temple. We're just behind the temple, but where is the gate? Where is the entrance? We don't know. So we are just trying to move on. Could you see that? Om Namah Shivaya. That's my favorite god, and I always love to chant one Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya. So, and just look at there.
Wow. That is the huge.
Huge.
Wonderful.
I mean, if I fell down from here, I really bet you I cannot go tomorrow or today Kolkata. I have to be admit in the. My brother is going to admit in the hospital.
HCC hospital.
HCC hospital. Just there.
And around this.
Around here. It's 10 minutes around from here. You see that? That's a great inclination. Come on, go.
Continue.
Further.
It is Om Namah Shivaya.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's, I think, could you heard the echo? I have studied in class 10. Echo speed is material and rock. See the temple, how far and great look is. Wow, I just love it. Oh my god, but where I have to go from here? How should I go? I don't know. Let's go and see the. Just pause it. I'm tired after talking. Just pause it. Back with another episode. Actually, it's not an episode. It's just a short video that we are trying to make it on this temple, Jagannath temple. So we are going under this exhaust pipe. There is nothing in the pipe. And
Wow, what a location.
just we are really look at that. Wow. Isn't it great, huh? It's
Yeah.
huge, beautiful. I mean, I just love it.
It's awesome, yeah.
Nice, huh? Wow.
More minute.
You look at that man. Look at that man. He seems like my neighbor in Ranchi. His name is Monu, but he's not Monu. Just believe me. I want to look. I want to reach
That plus.
at not that place, but that place. But I have to decide whether I should go from this area or this area. Let's think about it. Or if I go from this area, my whole clothes were going to badly, of course, bad. But I don't want to mess with clothes. Let's think about made up. Okay, are we on? I love trees, but not these plants. It smells huge. I just don't want to be. So we are decided to go from the jungle because we are me and my brother both we are fan of Bear Grylls. So today we are trying to be chela. You know what is chela? A student, or you may call the follower of Bear Grylls. Okay, let's get that one. So it's quite cozy, nosy, both you may say. I have to make way. If I got snake here, I would rather to be die. Okay.
Be careful.
Okay. We reached here, but we didn't find any place to go up. So
1 minute.
house, after searching of half an hour, we reached that place to go upward. I'm kidding. It's take 2 minutes to reach it. So let's get up. Be
No,
careful.
no. Okay.
It's quite tough to reach here. Oh shit! I got scared. Fuck! I got so much scared. It was a bird. Yeah. I have to watch this. Come up, cameraman. Oh, you may. Wait. So finally, it seems like a step, and I have.
Wow.
reached
1 minute.
Isn't it great elevation? Yes! Actually, Usain Bolt should be here. He could do that.
Hmm.
To sit. Isn't it? It feels good. How hard is actually clear in a video?
No.
Both. Don't know.
Hmm.
It's too hard to speak English a long time. Actually, I'm not good at English, but I just try to.
1 minute, bro. Bro. Look at me.
No, I should go from here.
Where is a
Good place.
good location?
Oh, as a director, you try to be in a hard place that you find a good captures or clicks. Nice try to be hang me there, huh? I heard huge loud from the match ground. It means someone has got out or someone has placed very good. Oh, I should go from that place. No, let me.
रुक जा ऐसा
Okay. I'm so tired. I need water, but I haven't any bottle that I can drink. I want to be drunk. Kidding. Okay, I'm not Salman Khan that drunk and drives. Okay. So I'm trying to climb on that. Okay, like a climber. Let's go. Oh. I'm on the top of the mountain. Isn't it great? Yeah, fucking asshole. Ah. That's cool. So give me the mobile. Catch it, man.